Analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some important links. The first link below the video, it says swing trading on automation. Okay, so if you want to automate your swing trading and you don't want to learn everything from the scratch, then make sure you click on the first link and then you will come to this page where you can see that I have automated the swing trading. And it is true here. It says most important video you will ever see in forex trading. This is not a clickbait. This is reality, and you will get to see when you see these results. Okay, so this is swing trading based on daily chart, and I have automated it. So you don't have to learn it; you just have to install it and get going. Okay, so make sure you click on the first link which says swing trading on automation, and then come to this page and check out this video. That's how you will know how to get this done. Okay, so after that you can join Telegram as well if you want and subscribe, like blah blah blah. Coming back to the chart here, AUDUSD. So this analysis can also be used for nzdusd as well. I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So let's start the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA, so we are in the uptrend. But coming back to daily we have created, I think maybe, yes, new high. Okay, so we have created a new high by with this candle, as you can see. So we have to wait for the pullback. So we are not taking any long trades in AUD So no longs right now. We have to wait for the pullback. Pullback means price should come down until this EMA reject it and then continue going up. Okay, so we have to wait and watch. In 4 hour, what we got in 4 hour, probably this could be the rejection. We might be going up. Okay, so I normally don't risk on 4 hour because this was your trend. Okay, so you see 4 hour broke here, but we continued the uptrend, so it never continued the downtrend. Okay, so again here we are in the uptrend, but if you come back to daily, in daily get exhausted. Okay, in 4 hour it might look like that we have this pullback and we'll go up. We slightly might go up, but when the US market opens we will start coming down. Okay, because as per the daily time frame we are exhausted. So in daily we are overbought, we have to come down. So if I have to look for trades as per the daily chart, as a swing trader, I will look for trades only after the pullback. So for 2 days I don't think I have any trades in AUD as a swing trader. Okay, I don't help any scalpers. I don't know what the scalping is. All right, I don't trade 1 hour or 30 minutes. It's all bullshit for me. So if you want to automate daily swing trading, make sure you check out the first link. Come and check out this video so that you know actually what you're missing. All right, so subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.